Okay, today I'm going to be testing Halfords Essentials Car Wash and Wax. I brought this in a pack with a wash sponge, a microfiber cloth, a bucket and this for the sum of just £7. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to test this. I've got my wife's car here today and it's black. So what I want to do, test it on that and see how it gets on. Okay, add 1 capful to an empty clean bucket and add warm water. So 1 capful. To a clean bucket. All over my hands. And add warm water. Yeah, it's definitely foaming up well. Okay, I've just brought the bucket out and the bubbles already seem to be disappearing. So, okay, let's give it a rinse over first. Okay, let's start with the wheels first and see how it gets on. Okay, so the wheels are now done, as you can see, and this is what's left of the water and suds. Time for another bucket, I think. Okay, here's our second bucket of soap. Let's give the car a good wash. Okay, so the soap's on, and to be fair to it, it's actually sticking to the car. So it's quite warm out here as well, so I think what I'm going to do is hose it off as quick as I can so it doesn't dry. But yeah, the soap's on anyway. Okay, the car is now rinsed off. I'm going to use my microfiber cloth to dry it off. Okay, so the car's been dried off now. Okay, my final thoughts. The first bucket of wash was used on the wheels, which dissolved the bubbles quite quickly. The second bucket, I used 2 caps full, which is the double amount recommended. The foam then did stick to the car and was easy to apply. I paid just £7 for the sponge, bucket, microfiber cloths and the wash and wax, which was on a promotional deal, which I think is great value. For the wash and wax, I'm going to give it a 6 out of 10. Let me know what your thoughts are. What score would you have given it? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so, and I'll catch you on the next one.